Dear students, I am Amit Jain Biswal, working as an assistant professor in Gandhi Institute of Excellent Technocrats. Today, in this topic, we will study about the thermodynamic system. Before studying the thermodynamic system, let us understand what is thermodynamic system. If I talk about system, it is anything which we will analyze. It may be the head, it may be the stomach, it may be the classroom. Whatever the things we will take for study or to analyze, that is known as system, or particular matter or region that we have taken for study. And there is, if you will take this classroom as a system, there are two parts will come. The walls are known as the boundary, and the outside of the wall, that is known as the surrounding. So in the system, we can say the two parts consist. One is boundary and another one is surrounding. If the boundary has two parts, one is movable boundary and one is fixed boundary. In movable boundary, you can go outside the boundary, you can come from inside into the boundary, or the boundary can move from here and there. And in simple word, what is boundary? It's the real or imaginary part which separates the system and the surrounding. What is surrounding? Surrounding, anything external to the system is known as surrounding. So there are three basic things. Okay, if you will ask, there is a term as universe. So what is universe? System plus surrounding is known as universe. So in this part, we will next study about the types of system. In types of system, there are two types of system. One is open system and closed system. Another one system is there, but it is not proper system, isolated system. Before going to these things, let us study about the open system. Again, I will take the example of the classroom. I will say this classroom is an open system because from this system, a mass can go outside to the system and can come into the system, or energy can go outside from the system, can come into the system. So this is open system where both mass and energy can transfer from the system and to the system. Next one is closed system. What is a closed system? In closed system, the system where the mass cannot transfer but only energy can transfer. So if I'll take the example of a cold drinks bottle, you can see if I'll take a cold drinks bottle from the refrigerator, if you keep it outside, you will see that the cold drinks inside the bottle, after some time it will change its temperature, but the 200 ml cold drinks will be the same 200 ml cold drinks because the energy is transferred. That energy which is transferred is known as heat energy, but the mass doesn't transfer. So if you say what is a closed system, the mass is constant but energy can be transferred. It is known as a closed system. So there are two types of system we have read. One is open system, another one is closed system. That the third part which I have not written here, that is known as isolated system. In isolated system, both mass and energy cannot be transferred from the system and to the system. We can take the example of thermoplasm, where if you put the hot water for some time, it will be hot only because there is no mass transfer, there is no energy transfer. That is the types of system. So in this class, we have studied about what is system, what is boundary, what is surrounding, and what are the types of system. Thank you.